Hi, today I have Samsung Galaxy A30S and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. Swipe up the screen and go to the calendar application. Now tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 27th of March, and there this plus icon. First we can add title of our event. There we can set when event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day. Location of our event, we can add this event to our family member or group on Gmail. There we can set when events start. We can get notification about our event, repeat of our event if we want, maybe every week, or we can custom it. And last function notes, and we can invite people to our event. When we add all we need, we press save and we have it in our calendar right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.